Hey, you, no matter how look you are, just try, try for build your mindset so that there is two-way for access the Nightingale's strangest secret. One, you can get it from YouTube. Two, just command mindset. According to strangest secret, humans have one big problem for mindset development, which is thinking. So, what is thinking? Thinking is very good action, which is ask yourself what, why, when, who, where, and how. So, ask questions and answers yourself. Do you know you live today in a golden age because this is the era that man is look forward and worked hard for live like you, so you are the full responsible for change golden age to diamond age because they are your ancestors. So never give up. If you feel bad, just say this thing to you by yourself, which is you are pretty well. You live in a richest land that ever existed in the space on the earth, a land of abundant opportunity for everyone. Just think here, what is the meaning for these lines? Which means you are in the right time, right place, and you have more chance. So don't give up. Just try. Listen, we all had a dream to become successful in previous years, months, weeks, and yesterday, but yet it's just a dream. So that you have to know Nightingale's study, which is he take 100 men who even start at the age of 25 believe who become too successful and they tell they will did, but at the age of 65 only 5 of them make them great. If you ask why here, that is the secret, which is awareness. What they intend to do and what they actually did. So be aware your intention and take action around your intention.
Hey, you, if you feel you need to unlock your knowledge, culture, and opportunity by English and mindset, then just like this video and subscribe this channel, then share this to your family. Thank you.